stop walking. I know that sounds shocking, but if you are over 65 and walking is your only exercise, then you might be silently losing muscle instead of gaining it. I'm a surgeon, and after treating thousands of seniors, I've seen a pattern repeat so consistently it is almost predictable. People tell me they walk every single day and believe they are doing everything right to stay healthy. But moments later, they admit they can rise from a chair without using their hands, or they wobble whenever they turn too quickly. Some even tell me they stopped traveling because they're afraid of losing balance in a crowded place. So the question becomes, why do active people still lose strength so fast after 65? The truth is, simple: walking is great for your heart, but terrible for rebuilding lost muscle. After 65, your muscles have adapted to walking so well that the signal it sends is too weak to stimulate real strength. Your muscles need resistance, they need challenge, they need movements that force them to respond. That's why more walking doesn't fix the problem, because the body stops listening to the same signal over and over. The solution isn't 20,000 steps at adding 3 specific surgeon-approved movements that target the exact muscles aging takes away. And the best part is these movements take less than 10 minutes a day and work shockingly fast. Let's begin with the first one, the sit to stand, or as I call it, your independence rep. This is more than an exercise, it's a direct test of how strong your lower body truly is.
Stand in front of a sturdy chair with your feet shoulder-width apart and toes pointing straight forward. Push your hips back as if you're about to sit, but lower yourself slowly and with full control. The moment your body touches the seat, lightly drive through your heels and rise back to standing tall. Don't collapse into the chair because that removes the strength-building magic of this movement.
Start with 5 slow repetitions 3 times a week and focus on each rep like it truly matters. Research shows this movement alone can reduce fall risk by nearly 50% in older adults. It strengthens your legs, improves reaction time, and reconnects your brain to the muscles you rely on daily. Now let us move to the second movement, the wall push-up, which is essential for upper body strength. Stand facing a wall, one arm length away, and place your hands slightly wider than your shoulders. Bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the wall with a slow 2-second count. Keep your elbows at a comfortable 45-degree angle, not flared out because that strains your shoulders. Then push firmly back to the starting position, letting your chest and triceps do the work. Aim for 8 to 10 smooth repetitions and focus on steady, controlled breathing. These muscles help you lift groceries, push yourself up from bed, and even catch yourself if you stumble. Most seniors lose upper body strength without realizing it until it becomes a daily struggle. But this simple movement starts rebuilding it immediately and safely. Now let's talk about the third movement, which focuses on dynamic balance and coordination. This is the standing march with an arm swing, which mimics real-life walking, but adds stability training. Hold the back of a sturdy chair lightly if you need a little support. Lift your right knee toward your hip while swinging your left arm forward in a smooth motion. Lower with control, then switch sides, lifting your left knee and swinging your right arm. Perform this for 30 seconds, rest a moment, then repeat 2 more times. This trains your core, hips, and nervous system to work together, which is critical for fall prevention. Dynamic balance exercises like this keep your body ready for unexpected movements in daily life. They improve stability, confidence, and your ability to recover from minor stumbles. And best of all, they're gentle but powerful enough to create real change quickly. Now you might wonder, do such simple movements really make a difference? The answer is 1,000 times yes, because your body responds faster than you think at any age. You don't need heavy weights, expensive gyms, or long workouts to rebuild functional strength. What you truly need is consistency and smart movement selection. 3 short weekly sessions can reverse weakness that has been building silently for years. You'll notice easier chair rises, better balance, and stronger steps within weeks. And the confidence that comes with strength is something no medication can replace. I want you to try something right now for just 1 moment. Stand up and do a single controlled sit to stand and feel your legs activate. That sensation is your strength waking up again and asking for more. That is your first step toward taking control of your physical independence. Once you feel that activation, you'll realize your body is capable of far more than you assumed. And age doesn't take away your ability to get strong unless you let it. If this message helped you, please comment below with "I'm starting today." I read every message, and your commitment truly inspires me to keep serving this community. Your words tell me that people are ready to fight back against weakness and decline. And that alone makes this mission worth everything. If you liked this video, please tap the like button so it reaches others who need it. The algorithm will push it to more seniors who are losing strength without even realizing it. Your small action could genuinely change someone's life today. And if you subscribe, you won't miss what I'm sharing next week. I'm revealing the #1 protein mistake, silently accelerating muscle loss in people over 65. This mistake is extremely common even among people who think they eat healthy, and fixing it instantly boosts your strength rebuilding process. Make sure you don't miss that because it could change your results dramatically. Finally, share this video with someone you care about because strength is contagious. A parent, a friend, a neighbor, anyone who deserves to live stronger, longer, and safer. Most seniors believe it's too late to regain real strength. But you and I both know that strength isn't about age, it's about choices. Every strong person started exactly where you are right now. A single decision became the turning point of their future. And today, that decision is right in front of you as well. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to begin. You don't need hours, just minutes done consistently. You don't need confidence right now, you'll build it rep by rep. And you don't need youth to gain strength because your muscles respond at any age. What you truly need is the willingness to take the first step. And today you've already taken it by being here. So choose strength, choose independence, and choose yourself right now. Thank you for watching, and remember, your best years of strength can still be ahead of you.